a financial editor or a news editor, obviously all the print publications you can get a job. You can try your hand at electronic editing, which is TV. You can try your hands in digital web and wires, digital companies.
If you want to start a career in PR, I would recommend that you start with an agency and you make sure that within that agency there is a good mentor who can mentor you to, move forward or make the transition from journalism to PR.
If you're shooting time lapses, means you're chasing the clouds. If you're chasing the clouds, you will get wet. So you have to. Little bit of logistics involved. You have to prepare and plan. There should be a plan B and C to every shoot, and you should never cut corners on logistics.
So I see a huge shift towards digital, right? Because I'll tell you why digital. Because today we're in a ROI-driven economy, right? Which is basically return on investment. Clients will spend money and want to see immediate returns. With conventional advertising, ATL is great, right? But what happens there is you're only building awareness for the brand and you're building stature, but you can't really measure.
In the business of content, the only golden rule is content is gold. You cannot mess with it. You have to handle it with extreme love and care, right from the time it's scripted to the time the final episodes are delivered. So there's a proper process that we actually take.
I'm saying broaden your horizon means read more, write more, talk to different people, do different things, experience more. I would love to say travel more and do all those kind of things, but right now I can understand that all that is not happening. So what you can do sitting at home is try seeing different kinds of content, try seeing different kinds of cinema.
Department heads or teachers need anything from me, they can definitely get back, and I would try to share whatever little I know. Okay? Thank you so much.
News anchors, for news anchors, you need to have some basic knowledge about journalism, but it is more on the presentation side. So there are different courses for the news anchors about voice pitching, about your look at the camera, about your practices to read teleprompters, your confidence, your communication skill, your personality in total. So that is all the aspects of becoming a news anchor. But to become a successful news anchor, definitely if you have a journalism background, you have journalistic sense, so that can add on your success.